Hello, this is Rob. For today's video we're gonna go into PowerPoint, how to get it for free right now. Well, yeah, like right now. First of all, you want to go to office.com. That's the website where you can get it. And on that website you can buy the full version. Then you have to go here. And if you want to get the free version, you have to go here. Press the sign button. It's big and red, you can't miss it. And it asks you, do you have an account or do you want to create an account? If you have a Microsoft account like a Hotmail, an MSN, or an Outlook or something from Microsoft, you can log in, and if you do not have one, you can create an account absolutely for free. That's here, create one. I have an account, so I'm gonna sign in. I'm a quick type, so there it is. After you log in, you end up here. That's the start screen. You have your quick start buttons for Outlook and all the other applications, and over here you have PowerPoint. After you press PowerPoint, you have a couple of options. You can start PowerPoint with a blank presentations, so we have to start from scratch. You have a couple of templates, they are over here. You can buy premium templates. These are the free templates. The other option is you can upload and open a template from somewhere like on your desktop or somewhere else. You can open a recent presentation that you made, like I made one 12 minutes ago for this video. You can open one from your OneDrive, or like a presentation from last year and it's no longer in your recent list, so you can open it from OneDrive, so anything is possible. Let's open my presentation. It is a test presentation. How do I know? Because it says so. When you open the interface, you have two types of interfaces. This is a simplified ribbon, and you can go to the old ribbon. You now have all the same buttons, the same options as you have in simplified ribbon, but now you can actually see what it says and it looks more familiar with the old interfaces. You have your copy paste, all your layout options. You can insert shapes and icons. It basically has everything that you really might wanna need. So everything is there. How this all works, I'm going to show you in the videos that are coming up, so you can make your own presentation the way you like it and put it together. When you're done with your, let's go back. So now we're back in the simplified ribbon, and you see everything is still there. Just looks a bit different. When you're done with your presentation, you can save it as a copy, print it, share it, download it. If you want to save it, that's it. If you want to download it, you can download it as a PowerPoint presentation, as a PDF, as an ODP, that's more of an open source file extension, I believe, or download it as an image. Like I said, if you want to know exactly how PowerPoint works, you want to go deep into PowerPoint, make your presentation with all the bells and whistles, please stick around, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn from PowerPoint, and I will make a video teaching you how to use PowerPoint in advanced mode, intermediate and beginners. So let me know. This is the video for now. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.